Good day, money makers. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how you make your own Instagram post, um, a unique Instagram post. The platform we're going to be using is a platform called Canva, Canva. Now, this platform, you can do different things, but you can there's a lot of templates, a lot of things you can do with it. You can add your own photos here. You can add elements, text, music, videos. You can upload your own pictures, any type of diagram, any type of thing like that. Um, so there are some that actually are paid on here, and that would be probably the Pro. Um, you will use that Pro if they have some ones that work free, and I'll show you that. Let's just search. Uh, let's see. Good one. Let's go money. Search money. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, and this one is a paid one, as you can see. So you can make some of these and get your own and make your own money off of these if you like. And of course, with money makers, we're gonna teach you how to use it and maybe earn a couple bucks making other people's Instagram posts for them using Cash App. So you can email blast. Let's see. Let's do something like. Go. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find something that's more unique. Let's put happy. Maybe that's a good one in there. Okay, so as you can see, happy birthday, Sophia, all these happy birthday things. Valentine's Day, happy birthday. Happiness is a choice. There you go. Let's try that. Again, this is so we want to find a free one. Let's find a free one here. Let's try this one. Okay, so you can actually edit all this stuff here. Let's go here, put congrats. And you can actually edit all this here. So let's say you want to put that on somebody's wall. Let's see, maybe congrats on the graduation. Now you can actually replace this stuff. You can delete that. See, you can actually delete this, and this is what's great about this platform here for Instagram is actually you can make posts for other people, maybe charge them $2 a post using Cash App if you can get something that's real creative here. Um, let's go with the elements here, and you can add your own text also. Let's see, they got grid shapes, so let's go with shapes. See y'all. Let's get you a heart there, and you can heart. Let's see, add some music to it. Now you can add. Let's see, free. Let's try this. Right here. Okay, let me take this up and put the music here, and drop your music here. Doesn't that let me? Oh, okay. I know what it's gonna do. It's gonna actually play at the bottom. You can add a video here. If we had a video, uh, let's see, up here, drop the video. And this is awesome. So you can actually add your own video. If you have your own video, you can upload it there. And these are, this is good for, let's delete this one, actually. Delete. And you can monetize this, guys. You can really monetize this. Let's see. What's some more of a graduation thing here? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Time lapse. Yeah. Let's see if we can find happy videos. Since that's our theme. Yeah. Look. Pro. All these are pro though. These are mostly pro. So yeah, you can find the free ones. Again, if you want to sign up for the pro, you can sign up for the pro. But I like to do things for free if you don't have that much money here. Um, Grad, let's put that. Grad, nope. Um, Happy. Um, let's put cats. Okay, cats. Here, guys, grab this guy here. This again, this is just something you can actually play on here. That's nice. Look at that. And then you can actually add the sound there. You can change the background if you like. If you want to upload your own photos, yeah, upload your own photos, or they got millions of photos for you. Like if you're gonna do an Easter thing here, um, so yeah, you can actually create great, great Instagram posts for yourself. Even upload your own pictures and stuff, so you can use and upload your own videos. If you got some music tracks, or that's what's great about this, is that you can actually advertise your own music uh, with the Instagram post. Now I know with Instagram with the post, or even Facebook, even with the Facebook, you can do this for Facebook also, and I'll do that in another video. But you can promote your own video or own music if you just put that in the post and have people share it. So yeah, this is a great platform. I'll leave the link below. Click like, subscribe to the channel, comment below anything that I need to improve on. I will try to improve on it. I'm about a year in now. I'm working out a lot of the kinks. So if you love the channel, if you don't like the channel, leave the comments below. See you next time.